Let's go. And I'm clean. Sin was stained on me, and shame was running deep. But love was spilled on Calvary. Oh, hallelujah, I'm clean. And God, how can it be? I'm ransomed and redeemed, and standing